Hello guests and travelers, this is how you use my kitchen sink and dishwasher. You pull the handle outward to turn it on. Out. Pull it out. Forward is cold, pushing back is hot. This little button on the side turns on the spray nozzle, and you can pull the spray down and around. Some people may not be familiar with this kind of sink, that's why I'm just giving a quick video about how to use it. Again, there's that button. Click it up for the spray, click it down for the soft water to come out, and you push it in to turn it off. This is a water fountain that you can use to refill your water bottles. I do have a water filtration system on the house, and this underneath the sink is a reverse osmosis system that is supposed to make the water taste better. It's already purified, but there's an extra piece here that helps the water be fresh tasting. So that is how you use the sink. This is how you use my dishwasher. There's a tray at the very top for small pieces, chopsticks, certain baby items. You got the middle piece here for your bowls and cups and whatnot. And then you got the lower rack here that has the silverware rack. The top part opens and closes. And then this is where you put the dish soap. Snap it shut after you put it in there. And I don't have any, but this is where you would put I can't remember what you call the liquid. This is the dish soap that you would use, but there's an extra liquid that you can use to like get the water spots off of glass. I don't have it, but that's where you would put those two items, and that is how you use. Oh, here's some. This is where I keep the sponges and scrubbers. And to actually make the dishwasher function, you would use this touch dial here for the cycle. You cycle through super heavy, normal, quick wash by pressing this button here. And in order to actually engage and choose the one, make it work, you press the play button here. So choose the cycle and then hit the play button. There's extra buttons there for the dry cycle as well, but that's how you use the sink and the dishwasher.